to give you an idea, Ramesh Bhai is the additional Secretary General of Brahma Kumari's Vishwavidyalaya, and he looks after the financial, properties and legal administration. He's also the Managing Trustee of the World Renewal Spiritual Trust, Founder Secretary of the Brahma Kumari's Educational Society. He's the Chairperson of the Jurist Wing and a member of the Governing Board and Secretary of the Raj Yoga Education and Research Foundation. He's also Chairperson of SPARC, the Spiritual Application and Research Center. And just lastly, he also produced a book called Pure Money Economics, which is about the understanding of economics and the philosophy of life. So in addition to all that, he's very much our senior brother and has been a great friend for double foreigners around the world, helping them and guiding them in how really to put Baba's directions into practical life. So a big thanks and welcome to Ramesh Bhai, and I'd just like to offer you this on behalf of the double foreigners.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
कल अव्यक्त बाप दादा की इस सीजन की पहली 15
Yesterday, Baba arrived for the first time in this season,
वो बहुत लकी है.
and you double foreign brothers and sisters are very lucky.
आज की दुनिया में आप जानते हैं
In the language of cricket,
one of the best sports है.
cricket is considered as one of the best
opening में आता है,
sport,
उसको कहते हैं
and the one who comes in the opening is called opening batsman.
का क्लास देता है वो जैसे कि
And
सीजन का opening class था.
so yesterday's class, Murli was for double foreign brothers and sisters, and it was opening class.
कराया है वो नहीं पूछते.
And in your class, when Baba talks to you, Baba does not give you any homework.
जो क्लास होगा
And when Baba will give a class on 15th of November, Baba will definitely ask the homework.
यही पूछेंगे.
He will ask from Bharatvasis,
परम पिता भी है,
because Baba is Supreme Father,
परम सद्गुरु.
Baba is Supreme
शिक्षक
Teacher,
के रूप में
Baba is
हम
Supreme
बच्चों को गाइड
Sadguru,
करते हैं.
and as
और
Supreme
जो
Teacher,
सिखाया
He
उसको
guides
कहाँ तक
us,
जीवन में धारण किया हुआ है
and
उसके
definitely
बारे में.
He asks how much we have imbibed, what we heard in our life.
बाबा जो पूछते हैं इसका कार्य करना पड़ता है.
And once Baba asks, we have to fulfill that, do that homework.
के अंदर ट्रांसलेशन के अंदर 15 नवंबर की मुरली के अंदर
So,
बाबा होमवर्क के बारे में जो प्रश्न
so when you will get that Murli on 15th November, you should in advance be ready for that answer, what Baba will ask about homework, which he gave us last year.
होमवर्क नहीं करते थे तो टीचर जो है पनिशमेंट देता
In
था.
our Laukic education, when we didn't do our homework, teachers would punish us. And in this gathering also, those who are teachers, they understand if they do not, if their students do not do homework, how they punish their
तो
children.
इस प्रकार से हिंदुस्तान में पनिशमेंट इज अलाउड है.
In India, punishment is allowed, but I know that in foreign lands, punishment is not
तो इस
allowed.
प्रकार से 15 नवंबर के मुरली के समय में
So-
मैं एडवांस में आपको
So in advance, I am informing you that on 15th November Murli, Baba will definitely ask about homework. And in yesterday's Murli, the title which is put above the Murli is that according to present atmosphere, using the power of mind, serve by giving powerful sakash and transform the intentions of others through your stage of mind, through your vritti.
अपने सॉरी यहाँ ग्लोबल ऑडिटोरियम में वहाँ पर एक बहन ने क्विज पूछा हुआ था.
When I went in Manmohini, want to give a class yesterday,
जब यहाँ आए हुए डबल फॉरेनर्स तो पहले किसने सकार शब्द सकार
they
के बारे में
conducted
बात
an
कही?
interview for me, and I was asked a question that when this word sakash was used for the first time,
मालूम होगा किसने सकार शब्द के बारे में पहली बार
That-
इस सीजन में
that who used this word Sakash for the first time, and then that sister herself answered that this was Dadi Janki who started using this word for the first time, Sakash, during double foreigner seasons.
9 मार्क 100 मीन्स 9 आउट ऑफ 9, 9 में से 9 मार्क दिया हुआ था। तब मुझे भी ख्याल आया कि दादी जानकी ने पहली बार, क्योंकि डबल फॉरेनर्स के साथ क्या,
and yes, then I got reminded that yes, it was Dadi Janki who started this kind of service and used this word Sakash. And the task which Baba gave yesterday, that you have to serve through your powerful vibrations, there were 3-4 new things in that, and we have to pay attention on those things. The very first thing was Baba broke the one rule yesterday. Baba has already told us that there is no rule in love. When you love, you don't follow rules. Because this expression, niyam, niyam in Hindi means, yam means Dharamraj, means supreme judge, or the one who, demon of death. And the one who follows the rules, he has to face the demon of death. So what I want to say is that I felt how Baba would start. So I felt Baba would start, today Baba is seeing such and such children. But yesterday, Baba didn't follow that rule. Baba said straight away that love and respect of children, whatever you say, is reaching to Baba. And Baba, as a return of that love, is responding through 1,000-fold, million-fold love. And Baba then told each and every child is merged in love. And Baba says, Wah my children wah, and children say, Wah my Baba wah. Then Baba told, today is the day of meeting with double foreign children. See how Baba started. Baba spoke that Baba is very happy with the services of double foreign children, and then Baba kept the balance by saying that the service of Bharatvasi children also is not less. And then again said, Baba said that there is a lot of expansion of service in foreign land, and it was said about 4 or 5 times that yes, this is happening in foreign, and then again Baba said this is happening in Bharat. So this is Baba's business of keeping balance. So this is what is social science knowledge, that these are the rules and principles of social science, that if we maintain these rules and principles, there are no quarrels and conflicts in the houses. As in the family, we know that there is mother-in-law. If mother-in-law does not keep balance of dealings between daughter and daughter-in-law, what happens then? And then definitely the daughter-in-law expresses more love for daughter than daughter-in-law, does not expresses affection for daughter-in-law. And what is the result? You know very well, there are quarrels, there are conflicts, and wherever there are 2 brothers, there are conflicts. Because if there are 2 sons, 2 children, 2 brothers, one is given more priority or more attention, another one is not given, then there is jealousy, then there is animosity. So all the mutual quarrels, conflicts are due to this differentiation. Therefore, Baba told, whatever Baba told yesterday expressed how Baba keeps balance of everything. So the same thing we should have at our centers. In the centers, from the centers we get so many letters that some instrument gives more attention to old students and does not pay attention on new. Sometimes someone gives more attention to new, forgets old. Then they write such complaint, oh well, we are not given attention, they are given more attention. So when we do not keep such balance between paying attention to all kinds of students, so then there are problems. And the fundamental reason for all the problems of such kind is that we do not maintain the balance. In Hindi it is called as you have to have a very equal vision for two aspects or two parties. And then none of them will suffer thinking, oh well, that one is put forward, I am not taken care. No such problem will arrive. So no kind of intellectual complex or social complex will arise in the mind of people. So according to social science, if we live in our family, if we want peace and happiness in our family, then we have to maintain such attitude, because Baba has given us this knowledge. Children, you have to make your world heaven, and there should not be any problems in the world, and there is the unique and only one solution for that have equal behavior, equal attitude and unanimous vision for everybody. Generally, when there is daughter and son in the family, and there is no equal vision for a daughter and son, as for example in Islam, as for example in Islam, the daughter will not be given the inheritance or will given the right to the property, but the son is given much more amount, or maybe all of the amount is given to the son. And if the daughter is there and son is there, son will get 600,000, daughter will get 200,000 or little less. So even those religious founders, from their time also this discrimination continued. And the same discrimination was being carried through even laws, through government till late 1970, that here in India, the sisters, the mothers, the daughters were not given the equal rights in the family property. But now the laws are created that whether this is daughter or son, after the parents have died, they should be given the equal right to property. But still in India, they have kept one thing. That in India, those who are Hindus, they have the right to make their will equal whomsoever they want to give. But in Islam, they have not given this right. They have to give definitely more to the son. And here in India, in Hindu religion, whatever father wants to write, whatever will he wants to do, he can. I'm chartered account and I have more than 3,000 clients, and I have made most of the wills of this Brahmin family members. You will be surprised.
Mother ho ya father ho, none of the parents maintain balance between the son and daughter.
And you will be, and out of those 3,000 clients, I saw that none of the parents maintained the balance between giving the rights to daughter and son. And they always make me to write that whatever we had to give to daughter, we gave her as a dowry during her marriage or had done the expenditures, and rest goes to son. So therefore we see that although laws are made, but their feelings and intentions of the people are not changed. Their feelings that daughter and son are same, they have not changed. They don't maintain the equality between daughter and daughter-in-law. So this problem, even though the law exists of equality, the problems still remain there. If Baba had not maintained such kind of vision, attitude for us, there would always be competition between the services going on in Bharat and in India. And Baba, instead of raising that kind of attitude, Baba maintained balance and made it complementary, not competitive.
Double foreign service and godly service in India also.
Baba congratulated the children for services in foreign and congratulated children for services in Bharat. And this inspired us to do the services together to reveal Bap Dada in the whole world. This is something very great. That we have to learn this from Baba, that we have to maintain equality with everyone and at every place. So I request to each and everyone who is sitting here that maintain this balance between the different family members in your families, between son, daughter, in office, at workplace. Keep balance in all relationships. One more good thing Baba told yesterday. Baba appreciated each and every particular child, saying, "Waha child, waha," and especially for double foreign children, commenting it like that, that everywhere very good service is taking place. And children also respond, "Waha Baba Waha." So this also we have to learn from Baba.
Art of appreciation.
So this art of appreciation we have to learn from Baba. Sakar Baba gave a lot of experience of such art. Once I went to Delhi with Baba, and we lived together in the house of Major Verma at that time. There, when we went, we came to know that Mama at the time went to Bangalore. And one brother from Bangalore, after listening Murli of Mama, had to come to Delhi. And through him, through that brother, Mama wrote the news, how she arrived in Bangalore, how the service started, everything. She wrote in letter, gave to that brother who came from Bangalore to Delhi. And as soon as in Delhi, Baba finished giving the Murli, and oh sorry, Brother Ramesh said that we reached to Delhi and we wrote letter to Mama that we have arrived safely in Delhi, and this is now happening, and the brother was going from Delhi to Bangalore.
मैं आपको ये हमारा अनुभव सुना रहा था कि ब्रह्मा बाबा को मैंने कहा, बाबा ये मैंने पत्र लिखा है और ये ऑलराउंडर दादी से चोली लिया है और बेंगलोर में अपनी मातेश्वरी जी है, उसके लिए इनको भेजना है. तो बाबा ने कहा, अच्छा बच्चे ये पत्र कब लिखा? मैंने कहा यहाँ आए, दान पानी करके.
When I wrote the letter of whole news that we arrived and we are safe, and I wanted to send it through that brother to Mama in Bangalore. Then Baba was surprised. Oh child, when did you have time to write this whole news that we have arrived, and you thought of sending this? You have become very mature, you are intelligent. Baba praised me a lot. But I was so surprised. This is such a little thing, and Baba is giving me so much praise. So this is how Baba made juniors into seniors, by appreciating them.
So that they can encourage these juniors, so that they
so we have to learn this art.
Because one day these juniors will become seniors.
And so that they can do their task with enthusiasm, because these same juniors once will become seniors.
All seniors will be replaced by those who are so-called juniors as on today.
All seniors once will be replaced by the juniors of yesterday. So this is how Baba has made juniors into seniors. So the same we have to learn, whether in our family or at our workplace or in society. We have to make everyone move forward. We have to make everyone worthy by giving them appreciation, so that the juniors can sit on the position of senior. So yesterday many times you saw Baba appreciated the services being done in foreign or services being done in Bharat. And also yesterday Baba remembered the time once again. That time is showing its scenes now, and still Baba underlined that no matter time is showing its scene, but children are doing their task, they are moving forward. But the speed of the services in both lands is increasing.
और इसलिए बाबा ने फिर अप्रिशिएट किया कि हर श्रेष्ठ कार्य की रिजल्ट दिल से कहते हैं.
Another appreciation which Baba gave yesterday, that seeing all elevated tasks being done by the children, Baba's heart says, Baba's heart is happy, Baba is contented.
पहला सजेशन दिया है सर्विस का. कल 4-5 सजेशन नए दिए.
So yesterday Baba gave 4-5 new suggestions, advice. And first suggestion was that children should be intense in maintaining their own stage and in taking care of the service. You see what happens, sometimes we make sacrifice, that for the sake of service we sacrifice our own stage. But Baba wants to see the intensity of speed for the self and for the service, because time is moving faster, and if we don't take care of the self, then time will move ahead and we will lag behind. So time of confluence age is very valuable. So therefore Baba told, you have to take care and maintain your intensity in both. And what you have to do for that then second suggestion Baba gave for that each and every child should remain immovable and unshakable. If we are not stable, if we are not immovable, we are doing so many services, then we can't influence the world with what we do. So therefore Baba told that only by remaining immovable and unshakable, you have to make the service move forward. Another advice which Baba gave yesterday, that now children need lot of power of mind to transform the atmosphere and to serve the world now. This is what is the title of the Murli also, that with powerful Sakash serve the world using the power of mind. We have to charge the atmosphere with that power. We have to transform the atmosphere wherever we live, whether in this world or we live in the foreign land. And definitely we need to use power of mind to transform that particular atmosphere. So last 2-3 years, Baba is emphasizing on this task. You see, we do a lot. We organize conferences or we do exhibitions or whatever kind of services we do. So these are the service which we do when there is peace in the world, in the society. But there is going to be the time when there will be peacelessness. So Baba is giving us the best tool as power of mind to serve during such peaceless time. So Baba gave this advice, develop this power of mind. You see how much we work hard to improve our physical power of the body. We work hard to develop our monetary stage. We try to improve our education or all the skills. Even in Gita it is told, in Gita also it is written that this is our mind which can bring salvation to us, and this is our mind which can be a reason for bondage to us. And in our service we have 3 tools: Tan, Man, Dhan, body, mind and money. So it is through mind we can keep balance between body and money. That is why in Murli we get this expression Man Mana Bhav, that connect my mind, connect your mind with me. So Baba is teaching us now the whole business to be done through mind. Then Baba told that at the present moment in the world, it's not so much important to worry about listening or talking, but now it is very important to transform the intentions and attitude of the people through your attitude. So use this power more and more in this task. That is, do such kind of service more when you are able to change the intentions and attitude, vritti, drishti and kriti, that is attitude, vision and action. Then one thing Baba told, very rarely you see Baba showing or using his powers or his authority. And Baba always says Baba has taken round all the centers, and Baba saw what is happening there. So Baba told that Baba goes on a round to all the places, service places in foreign. I also have gone to many places in foreign land. And there I have seen, I have experienced that we get Baba's help and support so much for the services there. So Baba went on round to the whole world. So Baba showed his authority that yes, this is his task.
के लिए बाबा का जो चौथा स्वरूप है, आप जानते हैं, परमात्मा बाप भी है, टीचर भी है.
So Baba showed his fourth form yesterday. Fourth dimension. What is that fourth dimension? Baba is father, Baba is teacher, Baba is guru. But what is that fourth dimension? It is written in all scriptures. He is Dharamraj also. And we children, I'm very sorry to say this, my dear Brahmin family, but Baba's this fourth form of Dharamraj, Supreme Judge, is being neglected a lot. Because when we come in the beginning, we had some consciousness of fear from Baba, but gradually when we are more here, we start forgetting this kind of Baba's form, and when we forget Baba as Dharamraj or Supreme Judge, we start committing many mistakes or sins, sometimes even intentionally. This is very sad story, but this is truth, that we have neglected a lot, fourth dimension of Baba.
We all will have to face him as a Supreme Justice also.
And so since we neglect this dimension, we face him as Supreme Justice.
Supreme Justice, but we may sit with him on the tribunal as a judge. That is a different story, but not that we should be presented before Shiv Baba as criminals also, as those persons.
So if we neglect this, we will have to sit in front of Baba as criminals. So we have to avoid this punishment.
As Supreme Justice also.
And constantly remember this form of Baba, Supreme Justice. So Baba told, I went on round, and again he reminded us that it is very much necessary to transform the atmosphere through power of mind. This is the need of our
atmosphere. Transform this environment, transform this, all these ways and means because of which we are living in the world.
Transform all these ways and means with which we are living in this world. And again, third time also Baba spoke about this, that transform the atmosphere through power of mind.
वातावरण चेंज करना है, सब काम करने लिए बाबा ने तीसरा एक साधन बताया कि मन की शुभकामना.
And the tool for transformation of the world and atmosphere, Baba told, is the positive vibrations and very pure feelings of the mind. They are required, and you have to develop these. It's very difficult to develop the positive stage of mind. You see, well, there is a fly, for example. When the fly, honeybee, sits on the flower, it collects the honey and then goes here and there. Even a fly has a sense of extracting something good from the flower and create something good. Even a fly has that power. So Baba says the same to us also, that you have to be through and throughout positive. See positive in everyone. Take positive from everything. No matter, the world is now full of problems, full of all negative things. Yes, well, everyone says that world is full of problems. But we have to support this world by thinking good, by thinking positive. So this is to be something taken care about, positive thinking. Of course, now these days many teachers in our university give knowledge and classes on this topic. Outside also people keep on speaking on positive thinking, auspicious thinking, pure thinking. If we use this, then we can see very good result, because when seed of any action is good, the result is good. If seed is negative, result is negative. So the reason for good or bad result are we ourselves. As we think, so is the result. So it's very necessary to develop this art. Because Baba has told many times that no matter whichever child of Baba you see, that child will definitely have at least one good virtue. And if you remember that, you will not see all other 99 defects of that person, but you will try to see that one good quality. Mama also used to say, Mama lived 18 months in our home, and Mama used to teach us, Ramesh, keep giving the feeling, good vibrations, good feelings to everyone. And through this you fill others with power. Service is in this. This is a subtle godly service.
I am sure.
And if you all will also do this subtle service, results will be wonderful. So in this service, we have to move ahead. So this was another advice of Baba. And then Baba explained what we can transform with the help of our pure feelings, good wishes. We can change their attitude. We can change their drishti. We can change the world around them. We can change their activity. There is one Western philosopher, he has written something very good about vision, drishti. What it says is that we see the things not as they are, but we see the things as we are. And there is a very good example of that even in the scriptures. Many do not know that example, so therefore I am going to tell it. So once Tulsidas, the writer of Ramayana, saint who wrote the Ramayana, he was writing Ramayana.
वहाँ के जो दृश्य देखा तो सभी फूल जो फ्लावर्स जो थे वो सफेद थे तो तुलसीदास ने लिखा कि राम ने जो भी फ्लावर्स देखा है वो सब वाइट थे.
And once Rama went into the garden and all the flowers which he saw, they were all white. And then Hanuman, when he was seeing that story being written by Tulsidas, he was surprised. He thought that Tulsidas is writing wrong, because how can all the flower be white? So he raised objection that maybe this is wrong, that Rama didn't see the white flower, Rama saw the yellow flower. So then debate started between Hanuman and Tulsidas, that whether the flowers which Rama saw were white or yellow. So then they decided, let us resolve this by talking with Rama. And then Rama was asked that when you went to the garden, the flowers which you saw, they were white or yellow. Then Rama gave very beautiful answer that flowers were white, but because Hanuman was angry at that time, so when he saw the flowers, he saw out of that fire, he saw the white flowers as yellow. So therefore Rama answered that it's mistake of Tulsidas also, it is the mistake of Hanuman also. So Hanuman, because of anger, saw the white flowers as yellow flowers. So such story comes even in the scriptures, that your vision, your drishti makes the whole difference. The same story comes in Mahabharata, in Gita. That one saint, when he was offering the water to God, doing the prayer, and at that time one sparrow was flying, and the droppings of sparrow fell on the water, and that saint got angry and saw with that the angry vision at the sparrow, and sparrow got burned and fell down. So like this they explain that how much difference can make your drishti. Another suggestion in the Murli Baba gave for expanding or increasing the services, that increase the power of gathering, the unity. Baba gave appreciation that yes, you are moving ahead in the services by using the power of gathering. Of course, Baba said it, but we have to do a lot in this direction. For example, if you break one wooden piece, you can break it, but you can't break 50 logs together. So if we will all act together, work together in unity as one organization, no one can touch us. Yesterday, myself and Brother Nirvair were having a conversation. About what this conversation was, that in outside world many things are decided on the basis of majority.
उसके ऊपर 12 जज बैठे हुए थे, तो 12 जज में से 6 जज ने कहा कि ये बात गलत है.
For example, some verdict was passed in by Supreme Judge, and some verdict was given on the basis of law, but there were 12 judges sitting. 6 of them had one opinion, another 6 had another opinion, so it was divided.
And then another Supreme Court judge, the matter was referred to another.
And then this matter was referred to another Supreme Judge.
In favor of one group. So
and he gave his opinion in the favor of one group.
7 versus 6.
So this became 7 versus 6. That is, and then they decided in the favor of the 7 judges. And here in our yajna, the task and the decisions are taken not on the basis of majority, but on the basis of unity amongst all, with the opinion of all. If we do all tasks considering everybody, then problems do not arise. If we work in this form of unity, with togetherness, using the art of communication, there should not be any break in our communication, no failure, then there will definitely be peace and harmony.
See that, we have 100% unity, and unity की ताकत को आप समझो ईश्वरीय सेवा के अंदर तो बहुत बड़ी बात है.
If we understand this power of unity while doing godly services, we will do wonders. Whatever problems which we have now, they are because of problem of unity, and so therefore decisions are of minority, not of majority. And then Baba gave the method of doing service, that become the ruler of the self-sovereign, and using your own senses, controlling your own senses, ruling over your own self, you have to become a server. Not your weaknesses should rule over you. We should not be the victim of our own weaknesses.
Do not defend your weaknesses.
And there is a very good saying in psychology that do not defend your own weaknesses.
Do not defend your weaknesses. If you defend your weaknesses,
because if you defend your weaknesses, you will be victim of those weaknesses.
Slave of your weaknesses.
You will be slave of those weaknesses.
Do not defend your weaknesses.
So never defend your weaknesses.
Aspect of psychology.
This is the fundamental aspect of psychology. And this is what Baba told yesterday, that be the sovereign of your own self, master of your own senses, your own ideology, your own thinking. Be master of everything. Then anger, peacelessness from our personality will definitely be removed. And one new thing, absolutely brand new thing in the godly service.
Absolutely brand new. मैं 1952 से
I am doing services since 1952. And since then, I never heard this word in connection with service, which Baba told yesterday. What was that beautiful word? Baba told that now there is a lot of corruption everywhere, and the conversations about corruption, corrupt attitude of people, politicians, money.
Baba was not referring to corruption.
When Baba told that, Baba was not referring to these problems which are there due to corruption.
Baba was not referring to these things up till now. और पहली बार बाबा ने कहा कि जो बातें चल रही हैं,
never Baba commented on that previously. But yesterday Baba told that by using the power of mind, you have to create the feeling of love for or the bhavna, attitude of love for God's remembrance in the heart of the people. So this is something brand new way of service, Baba told yesterday. Because when people are doing corruption, we really can't do anything in that. We just have to understand, accept, yes, these are the people who are doing that. But what we have to do? So Baba gave a very beautiful method that how you can transform them. That you have to create the enthusiasm and feeling of God's remembrance in their heart. Why it is not happening till now? I'm so much connected with all of the centers, so much when it comes to the question of service in India. So I am always in the favor of that whenever we create the program for the service of corrupted people, means those who are, we know that they are in the field where there is a lot of corruption. So this is the method, this is the wonderful way how we have to serve. So for that we have to leave all the things of division, my students. And when we say about corruption, there are divisions. And when we are in the unlimited consciousness, no bondages, no mind, no yours, no boundaries, nothing. And then we can serve such people and do such kind of service. When I was student of chartered account, I wrote a letter. I wrote a dissertation that the reason of the corruption in the whole world is that there was I gave an example of English writer.
Those who are from England, they must be knowing this author, Somerset Maugham. This
Somerset Maugham, he wrote this
and it was
article.
Being printed regularly on every Sunday edition of that particular newspaper. So he was contributing this word, that novel, by contributing each chapter.
Every Sunday he used to write one chapter
Sunday edition of that particular newspaper.
On our knowledge. In the Sunday edition
was the stage. Stage नाम से उस पुस्तक का नाम रखा हुआ था.
The title of that novel book was The Stage.
उसके अंदर उसका जो हीरो था.
And the hero of that story was
a chartered accountant.
A chartered accountant.
He wanted to establish his practice.
And that chartered accountant wanted to establish his practice.
With one stage actress.
And so he went and established a contact with a stage actor.
Charlie Chaplin आदि के movie चलती थी, बाकी तो टॉकी तो चलती भी नहीं थी, तो इसके कारण
that was the time when there used to be the movies like Charlie Chaplin. That is, there was not even sound, only movies. So once he met with such an actor, chartered accountant explained that hero of that story, of that stage, that how you can save the income tax by and how you can hide your money, what are the ways you can adopt to be more rich. And when he gave such suggestions, the people like that, they started using his experiences, and so chartered accountant became very rich. So like this story goes.
Somerset Maugham recognized that.
So what I wanted to say by referring to this story is that even in 1932, this corruption, that is the sense of hiding the money and saving the tax, that even from that time, this atmosphere of corruption was shown or reflected in the writings of that author. And now it has become very, very common. It has started since that time. This is a fundamental problem of the society. In Ramayana, they show this also as a part of the whole story, that when Bali was to kill one of the person in the story, he was to be killed. Rama couldn't kill him directly, so he had to hidingly shoot the Bali. So this is, and then Bali asked the Ram that, Rama, why did you do this cheating, corruption? Why you shooted me hidingly? If you requested me, I could cut my head and put on your feet. But why with this, in this way you shooted me? And then they show a lot of discussion amongst the priests, how do they interpret this attitude of Rama. So what I want to say is that since the time of Ramayana and Mahabharata, these problems are written, shown, and also there are many stories of King Vikrama. Whatever examples they have shown, showing what Vikrama king used to do. This is narrated by like Vaital. So there is this whole writing is in the form of dialogue between King Vikram and Vaital. So much is written and so much is happening when it comes to the question of corruption. So Baba has given us a very wonderful, beautiful way of service in this atmosphere of corruption. Now we do not have much time to discuss on this, so therefore it's my request to all the servers, to all teachers, that this let you churn, let you think and feel what is the difference between Sreshtachar and Bhrashtachar, that is the elevated actions and attitude and corrupted actions and attitude, and how to then becoming powerful to create enthusiasm and love for God's remembrance in the heart of the people, so that their heart is removed from that corrupted way of life. It's so beautiful. For example, once a teacher gave task to the child, see, this is the glass, remove the air from the glass. So how can you remove the air from the glass? Then teacher showed, the teacher put the water in the glass. So once you have put water in the glass, there is no air in the glass. So that's what Baba is teaching us, that you do not need to touch the corruption. You just put something new in the society, and then the corruption will automatically disappear.
Remove all those things. You know, all those social evils in the name of religion only. Somebody
you know very well, even on the name of religion, what's not happening now.
Modern world, because of these things only.
So these are all the problems of the modern world.
What we call, as you see, wrong thinking based on certain religious beliefs also.
Wrong thinkings are based on the religious beliefs also.
Such type of bhrashtachar, corruption also.
And through these beliefs, they increase the corrupted actions.
Baba has been asking us yesterday that do this type of godly service.
So therefore Baba requested us yesterday, do this type of service. So this is brand new method.
Taught to us by Baba yesterday.
So yesterday Baba taught us this new method.
जो भी है, जो हिंदुस्तान में फ्यूचर ऑफ पावर के लिए बात करते रहते हैं, उन सबको भी ये बताना चाहिए कि
as our brother Nizar keeps on explaining this aspect in his program Future of Power, that power itself is not a corrupt tool, but how we use this power is what makes a difference.
Power does not corrupt anything.
Because in English there is a saying that power corrupts you and absolute power corrupts you absolutely. But I disagree with that, because power does not corrupt. It's you use the power in corrupt manner.
Power is power.
Power is power.
Money is money.
Money is money.
If you have got money, you can use it for good purposes.
Because if you have money, you can use for good purpose, or you can use for bad purpose.
Result in good or bad. It is our own
money
action.
Itself cannot bring the good or bad result, but your actions of using the money will bring the result.
If we are not determined to use it for a good purpose, then we
if you don't use money for good purpose, it won't give good result.
Or also something because of which we can generate so many things, new bad things also. So it depends on us.
So it depends completely on us.
Act and how we convert our own resources.
So how we use or convert our resources into what?
That they must convince people that power is not corrupt. And
so therefore, I always suggest when they do this Future of Power program that inspire people to understand that power is not corrupt.
Power into corrupt power.
But it's we who have made the power into corrupt power.
परंतु जब धन के अंदर उसमें आसक्ति आ जाती है, उस करप्ट दृष्टिकोण से पैसा कमाया होगा, उसका रिजल्ट भी ऐसा ही होता है.
For example, money does not bring you sorrow, but the way you earn the money or how you use the money brings you sorrow.
एक नया साधन, नया
So dear brothers and sisters, yesterday Baba taught us this new business, new way of doing our services. So each and every one, whether in this land or outside, all have the experience of what is corruption. So Baba told this way to remove the corruption. Till 8:15 Baba gave the Murli, and then Baba told what is to be done now. At 8:15, 7:15 Dadi came on the stage. 7:22 evening she went into trance, and 7:26 Baba came. And yesterday's coming of Baba, divine incarnation, was one of the fastest incarnation. And Baba gave then drishti for 10 minutes. At 7:36 then Baba started Murli. And until Baba gave Murli up to 8:15. And then Baba talked with all different regions, UK, America, Africa, Mauritius, Russia. And
8:37 तक बात किया हुआ है।
So Baba had
उसके अंदर एक बात बहुत अच्छी
conversation from
अमेरिकन और
7:15
कैरेबियन
to
के लिए
8:15.
बाबा ने कही है
One very good thing Baba
कि
told
कैसे बैलेंस
while
रखने की
talking
एक
to
नई
America
युक्ति
and
बताई।
Caribbean, that
ये
how
मेरे
to
को ये
keep the balance.
अव्यक्त बाप दादा ने पहले भी सिखाया था। मैंने अव्यक्त बाप दादा के सामने एक हमारा बॉम्बे का एक अनन्य युगल था।
I noticed
उसको
once
बिठाया था।
before also
और बाबा ने
this
उसको
thing
डायरेक्शन
when
कुछ
while
दिया।
meeting with
उसके
Avik
बाद
Bap
मैंने
Dada.
बाबा से पूछा कि
Once there
बाबा
was a yugal
आप ये
couple
बताएंगे
from
कि
Mumbai
दोनों में आगे
who
कौन
came to
है?
meet Baba, and then I asked question from Baba, Baba, can you
बाबा
tell
ने
me
कहा, "जरूर
please
मैं
who
बताऊंगा।"
amongst
तो मैंने
these
देखा कि
two
दोनों
is
डर गए
ahead?
कि इसको आगे रखेंगे या मुझे आगे रखेंगे। हस्बैंड ने समझा कि वाइफ को आगे रखेंगे।
Then
वाइफ ने
both
समझा
husband
को
and
आगे
wife started
रखेंगे।
thinking
तो दोनों के
who
मन
is
में थोड़ी
ahead.
दुविधा हो रही थी।
Husband
They were
thought
all confused.
whom Baba will
So
say
what will be the result
to my
announced by
wife or
Baba?
me, and wife
Who
thought
is
whom Baba
ahead
will
in
say to
God
me
के
or my
service?
husband.
तो बाबा ने बहुत सुंदर जवाब दिया।
Baba gave very
ये अगर
beautiful
हम सीख
answer.
लें कि मीठा कैसे बनने का, मीठा कैसे
And
बोलने का, और
if we
मीठे
want to learn how
मीठा
to speak
बन
sweet
करके सबके साथ
and how
अच्छा
to
व्यवहार
become
कैसे
good
करने
and
का,
behave well
ये
with
अगर हम
everybody,
सीख लें तो बहुत अच्छी बात हो
we
जाएगी।
have
बाबा
to
ने क्या कहा, मैं कहता हूँ
learn
मैं
from
बता
Baba.
दूंगा तो दोनों में कौन आगे। मैंने कहा बाबा बताइए।
Baba told,
बहुत
I will
अच्छी
tell
बात
who
हो
is
सकती है।
ahead.
तो बाबा ने
Then I told
कहा
Baba, okay, tell.
दोनों ही एक दूसरे से आगे।
Baba then answered, each one is ahead
दोनों
than
ही
other.
एक दूसरे
Baba
से
said,
आगे
each
हैं।
one is
ऐसा किया
ahead
तो दोनों
than
खुश हो गए।
other.
तो ये मीठा शब्दों के द्वारा वास्तविकता का परिचय
So,
कराने
through
का
sweet
जो बाबा
words,
का
Baba
लक्ष्य था
gives
और
the
उसमें बाबा ने
experience of
कराया।
reality.
और बहुत अच्छी बात रही। तो ये बात सीखने की है।
So this
कि हम
is what we
कैसे
have to learn
जो
from
बाबा
Baba.
ने मुरली में 3-4 बार कहा सबका उमंग उत्साह बढ़ाना। उमंग उत्साह
As
बढ़ाने
yesterday
के लिए
Baba gave in the
मीठी
Murli,
बात बोलना चाहिए।
you
वह
have
मीठे
to
बातों
increase
में हम
enthusiasm
असत्य
of
बात नहीं
everybody,
रखें। तो सत्यता के आधार पर भी
that you
मीठी
have to
बात बोल
be
सकते
sweet
हैं।
with everybody.
संस्कृत
But
में एक
when we
शब्द
speak
है, मैं
sweet,
उन
it does
शब्दों
not
का
mean
पसंद नहीं
we
करता हूँ।
speak
कटु
lie.
सत्य।
No.
सत्य कड़वा
We
होता
have
है।
to
इस
speak
प्रकार
truth.
की हकीकत नहीं है।
And people say truth
सत्य
is
अगर
bitter.
हम
No,
चाहें,
that's
हम
not reality.
लक्ष्य रखें,
It's not
तो सत्य भी
necessarily
मीठा
that
हो
truth is
सकता है।
bitter,
अर्थात
but we
मीठे
have to
शब्दों
keep
में हम सत्य
the
कह
aim
सकते
to
हैं।
make the
ये
truth
वास्तविकता है।
sweet.
और इसलिए कटु
As
सत्य
Baba
कर
is
करके
doing
सत्य को
this,
बदनाम नहीं करे तो अच्छा
so
है।
we should not
We are
defame the
blaming
truth by
unnecessarily
making
truth.
it bitter,
The truth is not always sweet, but we
by
can
saying
use
the truth is not always sweet.
sweet language in order to express truth also.
But we have
Truth cannot
to
be
use
and
the
not
mean of sweet
necessarily
language
be a
by
negative
speaking
thing or
truth
containing
in a
problems
sweet
and all
way.
those things. It can be sweet. That means with sweet words we can
Truth
explain
can be
things
sweet
in a
if we
positive
use
manner.
sweet words to
तो
explain
इसलिए
the truth.
मीठा बनने की बाबा ने जो कल बात कही, तो इसलिए बाबा ने एग्जाम्पल के द्वारा कहा। हाँ, ऑस्ट्रेलिया के बारे में।
So through
ये
example,
दोनों
Baba
ये सभी एक
told
दूसरे
this
से
to
आगे हैं।
Australia and
इसके कारण क्या
America.
हो गया? सबको संतुष्टता आ गई।
So when Baba used this
Yeah.
power yesterday, everybody was
हर एक की महिमा
satisfied.
एक दूसरे आगे है ऐसा कर दी बता दिया। और इसलिए बाबा ने बहुत अच्छी भी बात कही। दूसरी एक बात बाबा ने कल सिखाई।
Another thing
ये
Baba
बात भी
taught
हमारे सेवा
yesterday.
केंद्रों पर नहीं होती।
This also is not happening
लोग
these
आते
days
हैं,
at
उनकी हम
most of
सेवा
our
करते हैं।
service places.
ये हकीकत है। चाहे देश चाहे विदेश, those who are newcomers, then we attend to them
That we
properly.
do the service of
परंतु कहीं
newcomers.
ऐसे भी है जो बाबा ने कल जो कहा, बहुत अच्छी बात कही। हाँ, कमजोर आत्माएं।
But what about the weak souls?
ज्ञान में चलते चलते कहीं कमजोर
While
बन
moving,
जाते हैं।
while following
और
the
कमजोर
knowledge,
बनने के बाद क्या होता
many
है?
become weak,
बाबा का हाथ छोड़ देते हैं।
and
They stop
becoming
coming
weak,
to the
they
lecture.
leave Baba's
और
hand.
दुनिया में चले जाते हैं। कोई
They
मैरिज
go
कर
into
देता है,
that
कोई
world.
क्या करता है,
Someone
कोई
does
कहाँ
marriage,
चले जाता है। इस
someone
प्रकार
goes
से
here,
होता है।
another one
बाबा
goes
का
there.
हाथ छोड़ देता है। इन सब को बाबा ने समराइज करके एक शब्द में की
And summarizing all those,
कमजोर
Baba
आत्मा।
told weak
तो जो
souls.
ऐसे सेंटर पर आने वाले जो है, आप हिसाब निकालिए। हमारे हिंदुस्तान में तो सब
So just calculate.
प्रेजेंट मार्क होती है, उनसे मालूम पड़ता है कौन रेगुलर
Then
है,
just
कौन
calculate from the attendance register how many are such weak souls.
irregular बन जाते हैं।
There are
जिस
some
प्रकार से जो होते हैं,
absolutely
absolutely
irregular. They
बन जाते हैं because of
start
certain
missing
weaknesses
the
and all those
classes.
things. तो इसलिए बाबा ने कल कहा, बहुत अच्छी बात कही है।
Therefore,
तो
Baba
ये
told
भी
yesterday
हमारे
very
सेवा
good
केंद्रों
thing
पर ये सेवा भी होनी चाहिए
that
कि जो
at
बाबा
our
के
service
हाथ
places, this service
हाथ
should
जो
also be
थोड़ा भी
done.
ढीला कर देते हैं, मतलब
That
थोड़े
if
थोड़े
someone
समय में बाबा के
loses
पास आने का काम
his
छोड़
hand
देते हैं और फिर
in this knowledge, and ultimately they leave Baba. So by giving your own cooperation, through your own effort, pull them back to Baba. That is, you prepare them for good yoga, for good dharana through your cooperation.
90% of these sisters जो है खुद मेहनत करती है कि इसको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए, जो नहीं आता है उसके पीछे मेहनत करने का, वो
so 90% of the service
मेहनत करती है,
or 90% of the instruments do effort themselves to try to bring to the people or try to explain them, try to support them. But still, if they can't move ahead, so Baba taught us to take the help of seniors, because the help of the support of experience of the seniors will make the weak ones move ahead. So this also was something which Baba underlined yesterday, that how we have to sustain the divine family. So, whosoever are the weak souls in the family, for example, there is some vice entered in their life or problem has entered into their life. So, in order to help them to win their weakness, to make them win in the Brahmin life, we have to use this support. Also, Baba told how to be benevolent with others. Then Baba told about teachers also, that from whose features teachers should from the features should be visible future. So it's not just for teachers, but it's for everyone, that now from your features Baba should be visible, and through you they should get the feeling, my Baba, sweet Baba. And so that they don't see the teachers, but they see Baba. So this is also new kind of service, that from servers features they should see Bab Dada. They should not see the teachers, but they should see Bab Dada. So all teachers have to keep this aim, that I have to become such teacher. I think all of us are teachers, right? You know how to give 7 days course. You must be giving this. So it is very. So you have to see that through your features Baba is revealed. And then Baba told, move ahead and make others like yourself. So these are the Baba never used such words, appreciation for teachers, as Baba used yesterday. What was that? And Baba gave. So Baba told that you are seeing the result of your effort. So we were all. So all that result, we were sitting here, the whole world was watching, listening Murli, and we all are here together with Baba. How this all started? This all started because we went to the center, we saw the teacher, we met the teacher, we got the introduction. This is how everything started. So all this fruit which we see now is started with the teachers. So that's why yesterday said this whole big gathering is as the result of the effort of the teachers. You did so much effort and now see the fruit. Someone went in Russia, someone went in America. Even in Bharat, when from Baba sent sisters from Abu, they were sent to Ahmedabad, they were sent to Bombay, they were sent to Delhi, to Bangalore. And like this expansion of the service started. And the service was started through teachers, through dadis. So that is why Baba yesterday told beautifully what should be in the features of the teachers, so that such kind of fruit be created.
Baba Vishwapita hai, father of the humanity hai.
And also Baba told that he is father of humanity, not just the father of Bharat. Then Baba met with dadis. And before that, what happened? Baba spoke little bit Murli and Baba went. And many thought that Baba has taken the leave, but then Sister Shashi requested everyone that sit down, Baba will come. Baba has not yet gone. Baba went at first at 8:37, then we again started invoking Baba. And again the song started. Song started at 8:45. And Dadi Guzar again went to trance at 8:47, and at 8:49 again Baba came. So it was like a break between Murli, and for the first time in the whole this conference age, we saw such break. And when we had conversation among ourselves, many reasons came out why Baba went. There can be any amount of reasons.
तो बाबा को एक जगह पर ब्रह्मा बाबा को अव्यक्त बाबा ने खड़ा कर दिया कि हम खड़ा रहो, मैं अभी आता हूँ। इस प्रकार से बाबा ने उस टूर के अंदर भी ब्रेक लिया और फिर थोड़े समय के बाद आए और बाबा ने बताया
we remember one time that when Baba told that when Brahma Baba became awake, then Shiv Baba and Brahma Baba both used to go for world tour, and once Shiv Baba made Brahma Baba to stand at one place and took a break. Okay, you be here, Baba will join you. And after some time Shiv Baba came again, and then Baba told that Baba went to give vision to some soul. So we remember those stories, and now yesterday again we saw this break, that Baba went 8:35, and then after 8:49 Baba again started Murli. Then Baba spoke about the Pavali. He had conversation with dadis. Baba explained smilingly that when Baba took a break, went and came again, that Baba did a hide and seek play. So it was like coming and going in 1 second, and Baba used the word aankh mein chole, which means hide and seek game. And we also gave a Diwali congratulation card to Baba. And we asked many things from Baba. Baba answered. And Baba's message for the Pavali was, and in that also, for the very first time Baba used the word. And that expression was that in the world, even those who are, sad or not so happy, even they will take the lamp or candle, they will lit it. No matter whether they are happy or not. But in golden age, everyone celebrates the Deepavali in happiness. So this was also a new expression. That anyone who is even sulking can celebrate Deepavali here or out of compulsion. And then when Baba was invited to come in Golden Age and see Deepavali there, Baba told very clearly that Baba won't come, but Baba will see your Deepavali from far. Why Baba spoke like that? Baba spoke that there in Golden Age, this is children's part. To do all this business, to celebrate Deepavali, this is all children's business. So Baba will see. Baba will see only. Baba will not do that.
Will we be there unless and until we try to purify ourselves and transform
but now the question is, will we also be there? Yes, if we make ourselves pure, then we can claim the inheritance of Golden Age. It will come any time.
Lakshmi Narayan, or maybe even from the beginning of
and we have to do the effort to come from the beginning of the Golden Age, when there is the kingdom of Lakshmi and Narayan.
From the beginning of the Golden Age, then what will happen? That Baba ne jo kaha, bachcho ka part hai.
Then Baba told that yes, this is the part of the children in the Golden Age to celebrate. So I have to ask this question from me: have I made my part so good that I come in from the very beginning of Golden Age?
Right from the beginning of the Golden Age.
We'll be able to come from the very beginning of Golden Age.
Until we try to mold ourselves
it's not possible unless we mold ourselves
from the beginning
completely.
Of the Golden Age. And then what will happen? As Baba has told,
and if we do not mold ourselves, we won't be able to come from the very beginning.
Of the Golden Age, then what will happen? You have not seen Brahma Baba and Mateshwari in this birth also.
And if you do not come from the very beginning of Golden Age, as those who didn't come in the beginning of Yagya here, they didn't see Brahma Baba and Mama like this, they won't see Lakshmi and Narayan in the beginning of Golden Age. So they will miss every cycle, Lakshmi Narayan also.
Always you will be seeing Baba and Mateshwari only through pictures, through
so as now people are seeing Brahma and Baba through pictures, through ideals, you don't experience them personally.
Personal relationship and to be a friend and do this ras and all those things.
You can't, so the similar way you won't be, if you don't come in the beginning, you can't experience the live details of Lakshmi and Narayan. You can't play with them, you can't dance with them.
Otherwise what will happen? That most of you are were not here till Brahma
most
Baba
of you sitting here, they were not here when Brahma Baba was in physical body.
Brahma Baba
they took this birth in knowledge after Brahma Baba became Avyakt.
For everybody, this is a challenge.
So there is a lot of challenge for all those who came later on.
Any other time, it is not a guarantee that they will be coming right from the beginning of the Golden Age. It all depends on our own action.
So although it is challenge, but if we do the effort, we can come in the beginning of Golden Age.
So please see that we have our own transformation.
So please see that we transform in such a manner now that we come down on this earth right from the very beginning, from 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. When the new calendar starts,
in that case, if you understand this world and understand
from 0, 0, 0,
then you will realize that thing. So this will be the sum total of our experience and experiment.
This is the sum total of our whole experience, that we should transform in such a manner that we are able to celebrate Deepavali with Lakshmi and Narayan the first, not Lakshmi Narayan third or fourth, but
right from the beginning,
right from the very beginning, from the day the Lakshmi and Narayan sit on the throne
and be the members of the royal family,
and we become the members of royal family,
or celebrate Diwali with Lakshmi Narayan. So that should be our target.
So this should be our target, aim and object of our effort.
I convey my best wishes.
I hope and convey my best wishes to all of you, that you should be able to fulfill your desire and come down into this world right from the very beginning of the new world cycle,
coronation of Lakshmi Narayan, so that you can celebrate Diwali with Baba in the golden age, because Baba has categorically said yesterday,
so that you can celebrate Diwali with Lakshmi Narayan.
The role of you children,
because Baba told categorically yesterday that it is only your role.
Let us accept our role, prepare
so
our
let
role
us accept our role and prepare our role in such a way that we become worthy and come in the beginning.
Celebrate Diwali with Shiv Baba. So these are my wishes. This is the result.
So these are my wishes and essence of yesterday Murli. I hope I could convey something which was special in yesterday's Murli by speaking both in English and Hindi today.
You can just think it over.
So now you can yourself think over about different varieties of services which Baba explained yesterday, and let us experiment with these and let us have success in that. Om Shanti.